Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just plan to cover the topic Microsoft Defender for the identity. It's a powerful tool that silent watch over your organization, detecting threat before they become a disaster. So we will go for what is the learning objective today. We are plan to discuss what is Microsoft Defender for the identity and what's the key functions and ITR Dashboard and Microsoft Defender for the identity prerequest. And finally, we will do our demo. So we will go for our learning objective. Just we will go for the first topic learning objective. What is the Microsoft Defender for the identity? It's a cloud-based security solution from Microsoft and formally is use Azure Advanced Threat Protections and it integrates with Microsoft Defender XDR for the border threat detections. And what are the key functions? I monitor on-premises Active Directory and the cloud identity. So whatever the cloud identity you are working, they will actively monitor your cloud identity and detect identity-based threat, including compromised credentials and later movement and help investigate a suspicious activity across the cyber attack chain. And it provides the real-time alert with the action insight. How it's work? So how to its work means use a sensor installed on domain control and identity server. So Microsoft Defender provide the sensor. So this sensor you need to install for your environmental working environment and analyze that network traffic, Windows events, and user behavior. They will uh, detect from the server, or if example you will install for your DC server, domain control server, they will actively monitoring for your network traffic, what are the Windows events and user behavior. So they will take that events and they will put in Microsoft Defender portal. So sender praise data to the Defender for identity cloud service for analysis and Microsoft Defender for the identity support. It supports 350 sensor in the single tenant. And if you need more, you need to contact from the Microsoft Defender support desk. And what are the benefit when you are using for the Microsoft Defender for the identity? Proactive threat detection using machine learning. So it's actively detecting for the threats from using for Microsoft machine learnings and reduce alert noise privacy critical. And they will reduce for and they will reduce the threat. It's prioritized by the critical threats and enhance security visibility across your hybrid environment. So this is the Microsoft Defender for the identity for help for you. Just we will go for help to prevent privilege account misuse and help to prevent privilege account misuse and phishing attack. So we will go for next topic Microsoft Defender for the identity prerequisite. So what is the prerequisite you need for using for Microsoft identity for your work organizations? A license requirement, enterprise mobility plus security Microsoft 360 E5, 360 E5 AG or FC plus security, Microsoft 365 security plus compliance, and standalone Defender for the identity license. And what are the operating system will be support? Windows Server 2000 require additional KB 4480 additional installation and 2022 and 2025. And both the desktop experience server core are supported and nano server is not supported. Sensor installed are supported for the domain control, AD Active Directory Forest, Active Directory certification service and intra connect service. And the sensor host request. So what are the requirement once you install the sensor? Minimum 2 core, 16 GB RAM, 16 GB disk, 10 GB recommended, and power settings high performance requirement request for the Microsoft Defender for the identity. So very important. Once you install, before you install, you need to check this requirement will be fulfilled. Then go to the installation. So next we will discuss about the ITR dashboard. So what is the ITR dashboard? Once you go for Microsoft Defender, you can see here dashboard. Then once you click the dashboard, you can see here cloud user, on premises, and every item. So we will go for first step ITR dashboard. So what is ITR dashboard? It's a quick overview of the number of user hybrid cloud and non-on premises environment. So you can quickly view how many identity you have from your on premises and cloud users and hybrid users. Next one, you can see top insights. You can see the top insights. You can see here you are the top insights. So first one, identity overview, user defined risk level, lateral movement. So what is this one? Attacker might able to move sideways through your network from a normal user account to high value sensitive account like a domain or admin. So if you have the user account, they will they will use that user account to access from your admin account. So that is a normal identity overview, the user defined the risk lateral movement. So this one, next one, a domain active directory user who should remove from the sensitive group. Example, a list of account that have been left unused for the last 180 days. So currently, if you have the admin account, they are currently not using for that admin group of permission account for more than 180 days. They will display from the here in the top inside. Next, this one, ITR health deployment. This one list of sensor deployment progress and any health alert and license available. They will display from the all the information here. And next one, identity protection score, poster score. So you have get the identity poster score. Security test your identity score is automatically updated in real time to reflect the state of the in graph. So identity what Microsoft will be recommended. So some settings after you will go through that settings and you will confirm that setting all install in your, then your poster will be increases identity on the Microsoft. You need to install that configuration in your so this one, identity poster secure score means once you install as per the Microsoft example, your all the user need multi-factor authentication. Once you complete that configuration, your security poster will be increased so that the increase the poster value will be increased security score. So that is the security score. Next one, we will high privilege identity. This one, high privilege identity summary of the sensitive account organization including intra ID, security administration, global admin user. So all the information you will get this one. So next you can see identity related incident. So here you can see identity related. So you have any identity attack will become list alert from the both a defender for identity and Microsoft Intra ID protection. That is identity related incident. Next one, domain with the unsecured configuration. So this domain list of active directory domain that have unsecured configuration settings. So this one also you can display from here. And this one user at risk in RIDE active user at risk all will be displayed. A list of active user account that may be vulnerable in the security threat, unusual activity or protection component. So in the previous video we already discussed how to the user at risk will become. So user risk at risk will be displayed from the here. So now you understand what is a ITDR dashboard. Let's we will go for our demo how to we can configure the Microsoft Defender for the identity in the Microsoft Defender portal. So let's we will move for our secure.microsoft.com portal. Now we reach our security.microsoft.com. So we just go for how to we can install the sensor in our Microsoft Windows environmental. So let's we will before we will go we will discuss for the whatever in our PowerPoint display. We will just you need to know the what are the ITDR display. So just we will go for ITDR. Then you just go for the identity and click the dashboard. So after dashboard, you can see all your views. One cloud users, on premises user, and hybrid user. Once you click the on premises user, then you can see this one, and then you can run this query. You can see all the information regarding for your. You can see here all the cloud user or the hybrid user or like a but this account only related because we select on premises, so this only for the active directory. So just we will go for back. Yeah, here you can see once cloud user, on premises user, and this one top inside zero user where and risk level later moment. I already told when you have user, the user will be get the permission for connect for the administrator account. That is the user letter permission later moment path. And zero user, any user is considered as more than 180 days not using because that user is like a privilege for admin privilege, security operative privilege. So that user is not using unused because this considered as unused. So this user will be displayed from here. And this one ITR display all the sensor, whatever the sensor you are installing here coming. And this one security poster, what is your identity score for your Here you can say high privilege identity. So what are the high privilege identity user I have? Rijo Joy Thomas. That is cloud user, global admin. This is like a M37 user. And Tom is on premises user. That is sensitive. So that is my own premises user. So here you can see ID global admin 2 and tagged sensitive 4. So this tagged sensitive 1, 2, 3. So 4. So that is as tagged as a sensitive user. And you have the intra ID global admin Rijo and Joy Thomas. So let's go for down. So identity related instance. So one incident will be happen here. So all the incident will be display here. You just go for view all active incident. You can go from here. And domain unsecured. One of the domain here is oc.com. And zero user or any user will be risk. This is the ITR display. So this you need to understand how to the ITR display. Then first we need to go for the sensor. So the remaining step I will go for each and everything. So first I will go for the settings. So first we need to how to we can install the sensor in our Microsoft Defender portal to our Active Directory environment. First I will go for settings. Then you can see here identity. Then identity you have sensor. The sensor is previously I am installed. So that sensor is displayed already here. So that's why the then you click you can see all the information regarding that sensor. So currently I will go for install new sensor. So before you need to go for installation, you need to check how your computer is your server is okay for that installation pre-request. So better to you just go for the previous section like identity, just go for the identity. Then you can see here tool, just to go for the tool. Here the recommended simplest way to determine capacity of defender for identity used for the defender for the identity sizing. So just click this open tools. Then after that you just go down. You can get the this Excel sheet from the once using the triangle. So how to we can do use that sizing tool? You just go for down. Here you can download for your just click sizing tools. Then you have just I will copy this one. Then after that I will go for my VM environmental. Then I just so now we reach our server, and then after that we just open one of Microsoft Edge portal. Then just paste that, copy that same link, sizing tools. Then after that just go for down. So here you can see Microsoft Defender for identity sizing tool versions. So just click download, click here download. Then you can click the try sizing tools. Then after that just open this one. Then extract all. So after that you can get the application. Then double click. So now the sizing tool will be running. Start to sample select DC domain controller. Collecting all the information. So it takes a little bit time. So just we will waiting for that complete application will be executed. So now we just you can see saving the data to the collect to the administration. So after that we just control C. Then after that we just copy. This is our Excel sheet. So just to copy that Excel sheet. Then we just open our just this one. Just to go for my download. Just paste here. Then double click download. So now you can see your number of DC domain control 1, number of sample 80. So here you get the DC name and sensor support S, but additional resource required for the plus one core. So currently my VM have only one core, so they will ask him for to sensor support is S, but we need extra core and failed sample 0. All information you can see here. All the information you get it VMware and whatever, because I'm installing VMware and service. So here you can see the information. The sensor is yes, but you need the additional one. So I just go for again the VMware. Then I close this one. Then I just Then again, I will go for this one. It virtual machine. You can see here processor, only one processor core. So just I will add two, then OK, then power the virtual machine. Just click power. So now what I will do, as per the recommendation, we need two core. So currently my system only one core. So I just add the one core from the sizing tools. So after that, now again I will run the sizing tools. What is that application will be with the result. So just waiting for the my windows will be open. Again, send control. So now again our server manager dashboard is running. So now the server manager running. Again we will just go for download sizing tool. Just delete this one. Then try to run again, run administrator. So now we need to check what is the result we will get. So now you can see here our data is already set. We will just control C break. Then copy this same. Then we just going to control V. Yes. So just to double click this one. Yeah, you can see here difference. Now the sensor support yes and field sample 0 maximum packet. You can see all the information you will get it. You can see here now the sensor will be running successful because you can see sensor will be support for you. Yes. So previous you can see what is the error we yes but addition need required to the one core. So now you understand what is out the sizing tool will be working for you. So after that now we complete this step. Don't save this one. So just to close this. And after that I just go for again. Then Microsoft Defender. Then just to go into the settings. And after that identity. Then we just download that sensor. So here you can see because we need to add the new DC. If example you have Windows Server, then you have the same AD Forest or Active Directory certification. You need to install the same whatever you install in the sensor the first. So currently I need to install for the new domain control. So I just go for the. If you have the same domain control or it's like a new forest, you just go for the addition. So here now we plan to install our sensor. So what we will do, so we just go for the add sensor and we just continue with the classic sensor. Just download and install. So I will download this one. Then I will copy this access key. Very important things. If you have another sensor, if you have because you can see you have one Windows server here. So this Windows server is my previously installation. The same Windows server have additional domain control or this Windows server have additional forest. You can install the same key, same downloader, installer and same key. What is you install in the main DC? Okay, but here I just go to installing for the second the new DC machines. So I just going to install new sensor. So I download the sensor and I will copy this one. So this key is there. So I just go for now download. So here is the sensor. I just copy the sensor. Then after that I just go for my just paste here. Then after that I just extract all. So now you can see this is our application. So just run, double click. So English, then click in next. So here the sensor will be directly on your domain control and monitor local network traffic. The sensor also perform dynamic resource limitation based on the domain control. The domain control virtual host VM, which is no as issue with the sensor. No problem. The VM guide you can go. I will tell you what is that. Just click this one. You can see just once. So you need to VM virtual machine sensor issue. You needed to change for the TSO office. So just I will go for what we will do. We just going to get to the adapter. Just to copy this one, PowerShell. We will run this. You can see LSOV registered keyword display enabled. So large offload will be V2. So we need to change for large offload. You can see here IPv office disable. You need to disable. So current value you can see what is our current value. Current value enable. So we need to run for disable. So we just go for and I will run this one. Property configure advanced. See this one large offload disable. This one also disable. Then after that click off. Then after that we just run the command again. So you can see now the disabled. So after that I just go for close this one. Then again I will try to run that ATP sensor. Then next, okay. Then after that access key. Just to copy that access key from your this same access key. Just paste. Then install. So now you can see here installation is completed. Just to finish. Just to click finish. So after that you just go for service open. You can see here Azure Advanced Threat Protection is running and Azure Advanced Threat, you can see that service is running. Protection, a sensor and a sensor update also both are running. You can see now it's running fine. So after that you just go for your portal Microsoft Defender. Just to close this one. Then just refresh. So now we complete our sensor installation. Now the sensor service status is running and up to date. So now you can see here the health status is red color because we have health issues. You just click this one. You can see all the health issues, NDML, not auditing, directory service, and every information you can. So we need to solve this issue. So how to we can solve that one? So we just go for same our identity tools. You can go for here identity tools. Then here you can see written script. Just click start scripting. So you will reach one of the portals. So just to go copy the same copy link. I will go now our server. Just to go to here. Then after that I will paste this link. So after that you can see here just to download. Here you can see testimonials, objective, exchange auditing, ADFs auditing, all the information you will and MDI readiness report. You can see the report. So once you run this script, you can see the same application you will get it. So just we will go for we need to download this one. Yeah, this is the script. So just I will go for downloading. Just download this. So now you can see Microsoft Defender Identity. You download the folder is here. So after that you just go for extract all, then extract. So after you extract Microsoft Defender, you can get the folder. Then you just open that folder. So after that we just double click. Then we just open this link. Just remediate. We try to run with the PowerShell. So now the PowerShell will be open. So you can see here we just want to receive one mdrejoskill.com. We double click. Open in Microsoft Edge. So now you can say rejoskill.com files, advanced auditing, NDML auditing, all the information now pass. So the same error you will get from here also. Go to your settings, identity. So here that same error you will face, this one, sensor and directory sensor and all the info optimal power. So we just go for, first of all, this is our VMware. So you can see object auditing, advanced hunting, NDML and power settings. So we needed to finish this each step by step. So first we just go for object auditing. So just I will go for open link object auditing. You need to configure a domain object auditing. You need to audit for these steps completely. So then go to property and everyone and then auditing. So we need to do this all step like until you can see here decent group objective, decent computer objective, decent descendant group object, descendant computer object, descendant MSDS group manage service account, descendant MSDS manage service account object, descendant MSP. So we need to do all this one. So how to we can do this one? So you just see here step active directory user and computer, then select a domain that you want to edit. Select view the menu and select advanced feature. Right click the property. So we just go for our Windows server again. Tools, active directory user and computer. Then you just go for right click, view, advanced features. Then you can see your advanced feature. Then you just go for the property, then security. Then you just go for advanced. So here you get the all the information. Then you just click auditing. So you need to add the auditing. So how to select your principal. So you plan to add everyone, right? So just check name everyone. Then click add and type is success. You can see here success. So how to we can verify? You can see after you coming property everyone auditing, then you just select the principal everyone, then after that type success and for apply to decent use. First you need to go for the decent user objective. So same I will go for same success. First decent user objective. You can see here decent user objective. Just click this user objective and after that go down, then this clear all, then after that full control, then remove list control, read all properties, then read permission. So this all option will be remove that one. You can go for check again. You can see here clear all the permission, then success decent user objective. You can see full control, list control, read all properties. So this all and read permission will be removed, then click OK. So this same step you need to do all this one, decent group objective, decent computer objective, decent MSDS group of management objective, decent MSDS management service account objects. You want to do all this step by step all this process. Okay. So I just go for again. So now we just then click OK. So now you can special decent. So same like you just go for again. Select the principal everyone. Check name. Click OK. Then after that success. Change the object. Now decent. We before object. Now you need to you the what is this one? Decent group object. So decent group object. So we need to do the decent group object. Previously we will go for do the decent user. So now we need to do for the decent group objective. So just group objective. See group objective. Then after that go down. clear all, then full control, remove this list control, read all properties, read permission. So remove this. So after that, you just click OK. So we need to complete the all the step decent user. So remaining also we need to complete. So before computer objective and MS. So you need to complete this all one. Okay. Now I need to only do the final one because previous I do everything. So I just go for MSDS again manage service account. So say select the principal everyone. Okay. Then MSDS delegate. Okay. Then we just confirm. For that, just go down, clear all, then go to up, remove list, read, and the permission. Click. So we just confirm what we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first one 6. Okay. So just I go again. Yeah. So here you can see first decent user objective completed, group objective you can see decent objective completed, group objective completed. Then after that MSDS group manager, sorry, MSDS, you can see MSDS group manager service completed. Then after that MSC manage service account objective completed. Then final one MSDS delegate manage. So delegate MSDS delegate manage service also complete. After that you just go for apply and click OK. Then after that click OK. Then close this one. Go for again. We have already this one. We just go for here. Just this screenshot. Snipping to because we need to understand the changes will be coming. Just to keep this one. Okay. So after that we just go for rerun again that command. Just go for here. Again the download application Microsoft Defender Identify. So just rerun. Test run. So just run with the PowerShell again. Okay. Then after that we just try to open again. See now you can see 2. Before you can see fail. You can see the difference. See before is false. Now the object ODT is. So now the object ODT is completed. Okay. So now we need to click for advanced ODT. So what is advanced ODT? Just click this one. You can see the advanced ODT. You can go for down. You can see here default group domain policy. From group edit policy, you just edit that default domain control policy. Then after that advanced computer, then computer policy. Then you can see advanced ODT policy, account logon. Then you need to change all this one to fail and success. Success and failure event. So we just go for again our tool. Then after that active directory, group policy management. Then forest. Very important, you need to always check where this application will be applied. So go to down default domain control policy. So just to go for domain resource skill default domain policy and default domain control policy. So domain control. So we need to okay. We just go for here edit. So after that you can go for the policy, then Windows, then what security, just go to down advanced auditing policy configuration, audit policy. Then you can see you need to always work this account logon. What is that step you need to finish? Account logon, audit credit validation. So just go for account logon. you can see the audit credit validation audit computer. So we just go for account load audit credit validation configure success and fail up. Then no, next one, you can check next one, account management. Just click account management, go to audit computer account management, audit computer account management, success and failure apply. Next one, account manage, same account management, audit to distributor group management, distributor management configure success apply. Next one, account management, audit security group management, audit security group management configure success failure apply. So next one, account management, audit user account management, audit user account management configure success and failure apply. Okay, then DSS account, same, audit directory service changes, audit directory service changes configure success and failure, then apply. So do this all step continues, okay, until DX access. So now we complete all the steps. So after that you just go for close. Then we need to run gp update / force. So now we update again our policies. So now the complete policy will be updated. So after that just close it. Then yeah, then after that we now we advanced auditing section. Previous we object auditing we completed. So just we will go to snippet this one. No, just to copy this. Okay, keep it this one because we need to run again. So I just go for now download this terminal. So just I will try to run again. Okay, that finish. So after that you just refresh it. See now advanced auditing also completed. So now before you can see before your screen advanced auditing is not completed. So now advanced auditing also come. So what is next time? NDML auditing. So we now go to NDML audit. Just click NDML auditing. I just go for open. Sorry. So now NDML loading. So the same step, group policy management, default domain control policy, local policy, security options. So just the same default domain control policy. Okay, just to go to same tool, group policy management, default domain control policy. Just to confirm that one, default domain control policy, default domain control policy, edit. Then after that you just go for the computer policy, then Windows settings, security settings, then go to local policy, then go to local policy, then after that you just go for the auditing policies, security policies, local policy, security options. Just to go for security option, double click. Then what's the change we need? Network security restrict NDM outgoing and traffic. So we need to change this one. So just remove this one here. Network security. Go to network security. Okay, network security. Restricted NDN. Okay. Yeah. Networks and restrict NDML outgoing. You can see here, this is option. Network security restricted NDML outgoing NDML traffic to the remote server. Define the policy. So what is the policy? Audit all. So just click audit all, then apply. Okay. So now you can see here we done that policy audit all. So what is the next policy? Network security restrict NDML audit NDML authentication. NDML audit NDML authentication. Audit NDML authentication. Audit NDML, this one. Enable all, right? Just this one. Define. Enable all. Apply. Okay. So you can see here there's a policy in network security. So network security NDML audit NDML authentication. This is so next one network security restricted NDML audit. Next one network security restricted NDML audit incoming. Just what is the option you have see here? Enable auditing for the older traffic. Just enable auditing for all. Just click apply then. So now we complete. So now we complete for the security settings also. Then after that you just go for CMD open. Then GP update /force. See now the policy update is completed. So just to close this one. So just open it. So previous we have now NDML auditing files. So just snip this one also. Just keep this one. Okay. Then after that we just go for again same command we will run with the PowerShell. Then again we will try to refresh this one. See now NDML auditing also. Now only setting remaining for the power setting. So power setting also we will run. We just open run PowerShell. Just open your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, run administrator. Then open that one. Then after that we just run some command. After that we will just run this one command. So after that we need to just for running for this command just to copy this command. Copy. Then after that you just go for here. Just you can see now there's balance mode. We need to change the mode again. So just we need to copy this command. Copy. And after that we just okay. And after that we just change to just to check what. So now you can see high performance is coming. So after that again we just go for run this tool again, run PowerShell. Then now close this one, then also close, then we try to refresh. So now you can see all your MDR readiness tool will be rejoskill.com will be true. And also you can see here that see what they need, all the true will be coming. So we are doing in the full qualified domain. So this all app this will be true. So you can see from here also the true. So what is next? We now we need to go for our Microsoft Defender. So we will check what their health status. I will go for now. Then go into here, pause this one, then try to refresh again. So still it take a little bit time to complete. So just we will wait for the completion. So now we come back. You can see here now the health issue is completed. So your server is the sensor is running healthy. So all the you can see the all the issue will be closed. So you can close this. So after that you just click this one. You want to manage server. What is in the you want to description? You can then this server. This is my main Please. Yes, whatever you want, you just enter. So this one capture the network because I have only one Ethernet adapter. So just copy that one to Ethernet adapter and save. So now you can see our information. So we will go for here domain control sensor 2. So you need to like filter, you can filter domain only whatever the domain. For example, I will just go for OC, just only coming the office. So can I just close this one? So and the delay update. What is delay update means? You can delay the update. Example, your server is running more workload, so you can delay from the sensor update from the system, or you can enable the delay update. So that's, so this is the option for the sensors. So you can go for now how to, you know, how to you will install this one. So how to this work? So I just go for now my server again, then I just go for send. So I just go for tools, active directory, user and computer. I just create one user, then I will username Sam01. Okay, just I will copy that Sam01 here. Next, password is must use, password never expire. And click next, then finish. So now I just add the one user Sam. Just we will go for the user, just move it to, okay. So then I will just go for the user. So here you can see Sam0. So what I will do, the Sam is 01 is available here. So then after that I will move the Sam to domain admin group. So before I will move to domain admin group, I just go for again my sensor. So here you can go for the set identity. Then you can go identity type on permit. Just I apply. So here you can see to administer. So this today date. So I just open this one. And why this administer my previous domain control? So this one I will just click, go to page. So you can see here your administer instant and alert. You have any instant alert currently there, observation in organization, device, local group. So you can see all the group, what are the group I have, administration, domain control, and all the information. And timeline, what is happening? So currently timeline, it takes time to pop up here. So currently is no result found the specific time frame. It take little bit time to complete. So just I will, what I will do, I will add this the user. Just you can go for identity inventor. So currently you can see then on premises the user I created previous, that user also not coming here. So it take little bit time to operation will be coming here. So what I will now the step, I just waiting for the user, whatever the user SAM will be coming here. After that I will move the SAM for the domain controller. After that I will move the SAM to the domain admin group. So just waiting for the, just refresh, take maybe time. Timeline, yeah. Now this timeline 30. So this is not my, so I need my timeline type on premise apply 13. This one's right, 13 user page timeline. Yeah, still timeline. So it take little bit time. So I just pause my video. Timeline, you can see now, you can see all the information again. Create user account SAM01 on Win, our user account, other computer. Then you can see here account path changed SAM01 from DC. So all the information you will get, you can get account path changer 01 and all information what time is accurate. So just to close this one also, then again I will go identity path. Just we will check the, yeah, Sam will be coming. Yeah, Sam 01 also is here. You can see incident, not in observation timeline. So you can see account path change data and all the information also, attack path and policy, and you can observe organization. Currently there are only two group, user and domain user group. So I will change this XAM user to domain admin group. So again I will go for here domain admin member. So here only administrator, I will add one of the member, Sam 01, check name, yeah, Sam 01, then click OK, apply. Okay. So just I will confirm. You can see here member Sam 01. Okay. So after that just I will close. Then after that I will go again. Just to refresh. We will check the timeline. So still the timeline will not come here. So we will waiting for the timeline. So just I will close this one also. Then I will just now pause the video. So we need to check the same administrator. We just go for the administrator. Then you can, before you know, alert will come. So what is the incident and alert? You can see suspicions additional group sensitive group is added. So just to leave it that one. So we just go for the timeline. So here you can see timeline alert will come. What alert will be coming? This alert is new. Added Sam 01 to the domain. So that domain group, sensitive group. So any user will be add a sensitive group like this one. The Microsoft Defender will be make the alert. So now you can see suspicious ID sensitive group is coming. Because why? Because you add the domain. Sam is the domain admin group. So just we will go for that alert section. Go to incident alert. You can see here you have second alert. Alert will be coming here. So just we will go for see 13 July. This is the alert 13 July. So what is the suspicion addition sensitive group? So you add that user to the domain group. So that suspicious. So just click this one here. So you will get all the information. Suspected account Rejo Skills. This is account and Skill administrator source account. So the source account will be added. So you can see the graphical information. Alert graph administrator added Sam to the domain admin. So that way the alert will be important information. Admin is a new account created time and group additional that use computer name and admission was not observed adding member to the sensitive during the 13 days before the suspicious activity. So you get the all the information, the modative sensitive group. So whatever the modative sensitive group, that way the alert will be generated. Designate administrator to the domain. So here you can see all the information regarding category and the detection source, Microsoft Defender for the identity and what attack technique. All the information you will get it from the here. So just you want to manage, right? And you can resolve or in progress, and also you can assign this to one of your group admin or someone. So check that one also you can compare. So after that alert section you understand everything. So after that I just go for the incident section. So here also the same incident. What's the date? You 13 June. Just click that incident. So here you can get all the attack story. Suspicious additions to sensitive attack will become to user. You can see this is your diagrammatic representation and what alert you will just is and which asset will be affected, asset for the device and user too. All the information you will get it here. Evidence and response. You can see the evidence, domain admin security group. This is the evidence. So where they will add domain admin entity, add this suspicious addition group. So that is the attack incident report also you will get it. So again I will go for the identity section. Identity in on premises apply. So here just to go into the SAM. So now the SAM also same alert will be one alert over we all incident from here also. Incident analysis suspicious addition sensitive group is added. Observation organization. So just a group domain user and user. Just we will timeline you can see here the timeline also the same concept. attack path and policy. So this is the concept. Once you will go to trigger, it will be happen for the immediately alert will be generated from the Microsoft Defender policy. Just to go to settings, sorry, endpoint identities, then you can go for adjust alert threshold. So you can see here security principle, suspect ADS, suspect brute force, golden ticket, suspect identity theft, suspicious addition sensitive group. So this one generate that suspicious additions group will be added solo mode. So currently I just request mode, so that way if you can be put the value high or low, you can be do. So that's why the alert will be coming. So you can see adjust the alert threshold. So just I will go for my Outlook. So here I just receive one email alert. Just click review. So here you can see Microsoft 365 Defender had detected the threat in your environmental suspicious ID sensitive group. So how to I will get, I just make alert only. So how to I just see that alert. So just we will go for identity settings. You can see Microsoft Defender XDR. Here I will put my alert service settings. So here all alert, I will put all alert, so that all alert will be making. So after that what I will do, I just tune that alert. So email notification. So just click the email notification. Then here I will create the email notification for all the information Microsoft Defender, whatever the problem will emerging. So you can see the Microsoft Defender for the identity. So the user I will choose the user, you can see Joey Thomas, Joey IV. So once any alert will be coming, you can also add example. I just put next. So send only notification per second, whatever. So include in specification, include organized name and email. So whatever. So source, so you can choose all the sources and alerts are low, medium, or high. Then click next and give the email address reception. So that way I receive the email notification also. So now you understand that step also, how to the alert will be coming, how to that notification will be generated. So here then you just go for, again I will go for Microsoft Defender, then identity settings, identity. So this section I will also this activation. So the same setup, deploy sensor, enable your monitor on premise active directory. So this directory service account, we need to add the directory service account to manage. That is your active directory. You make the directory manage account activation. So this section will be automatically manage account from your active directory. This one automatically manage. This is container credential sensor can use perform the on-premise active user such as disable user, reset user password or more. So that one automatically account management will be coming here in your server configurations. Any account will be made automatically for the services, so that will be VPN section. You can adjust alerts, so you can here you can adjust your resource. So currently I just put everything low. If you just go for turn off, then you can change for the high or low. Currently I will put test mode, so that way is this one very important. About will get all information about your sensor version and geolocation, cover a total license and workspace ID and workspace. So what is a workspace? Your Microsoft sensor integration, Joey VLIC. So that is the about section, and you will get sensor version and everything. And here you can see the user link system, different identity documentation, system status, all the information you will. Entity sensitive means you can add that user for, if you want to add any user to the sensitive, just tag the user, just click the user. Example, currently I just go for Liju. I will add the sections Liju, or I will make some. So Sam 01, just add the selection. See, now the sum is we add for the sensitive user. So also you can do the group and sensitive account. So that sensitive account will be coming. So just we will go for here identity. Just open this link. Then go to on premises apply. Then we will go for SAM01. Just click this one. Now you can see we will add for the sensitive reason that user we will add for the sensitive user. So you can add give this information. Example, we not understand that one also we will add this. See one of Liju. See now here no any sensitive user. If you go that here tag user, example I will go Liju add selection. So then after that I just go for see now the user is sensitive. So that is a sensitive account. Honey token you can that you need to change to the set honey token account request to trap the malicious activities. So action and exclusion. This is important. Global exclude setting and exclusion for the detections. So you want to exclude the detection from your systems. Example global means this apply for the all the entity. So if you want to apply for the domain, add a domain, which domain you want to not attacking for this settings, not that specific system or device or whatever. You can see what IP address or exclude from the entity from the all the detection rule. So you can add a user domain or device and IP. That is a global, but exclusion from the detection rule. So example, if any detection, you can take this one suspicious characteristic. Just click this one. Then exclude entity, add a device or add IP address. You can give the information here. Then that device or IP address device not attack from. They will not check for the attacking. So that is the exclude action for the exclusion. Okay. Next one health issue notification. You have any issue from the health issue, they will as well. And sys volume notification. You need to enable the sys volume notification. So if you go for the dashboard from the identity, just to go for the dashboard, you can see here ITR dashboard on premises. Go to down, you can defender for the identity deployment sensor to sensor we deployed it. So here you will get all the informations. You can see SAM01 on premises because that is sensitive. We add already SAM01. So here you can see high privilege. So just to click the on premises user, you will get all the information regarding that user. So that is the end. Now you need to check the exposure management. Just to go to overview. So here is the exposure management. So you can get your all the information tank service map and here the secure score. Just to click the secure score, you can get all the secure score regarding for your regarding the any recommendation. You can get the recommendation. So how to you can exposure initiative. Just to click the initiative. Then you can go for identity initiative. Just go for the identity and this just click that one open initiative page. So what initiative you need, you just go for security metrics. Need attention, this one need attention. Security recommendation 18 recommendation they will design more one global admin, enable condition access policy to block leads. So enable. So you can see example, this is related to all the identity. See this one, you need to filter. Just to go for filter, just identity apply. So this is related to only the identity information, intra id. So example, designate more than one global admin. So just you can see here related all the information. So just go for manage because this one directly they will go to manage. See now we have two, so I just remove one of them. Remove the assignment. Yes. So now I remove. Then after that I will come in here. Just refresh. So after that I just see now you can see here related entity only one. So is sometime they will 24 hours they will check the metric. So after sometimes you can check the design one more global is the security level again will be coming for identity mark will be. So that is a recommendation. You can see the history or whatever the history. You can see here administration without multi-factor authentication. All the information you will get the security post. So in next is chapter we will do more things. So just only for the here the secure score is also here. All the information. So now you understand how to we can do the Microsoft Defender identity in the Microsoft Defender portal. So just I will wind up my topic. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.